That's how they supposed to look. So my kitchen has the best lighting. See the way those diamonds is dancing? This is my most requested grill this week. Seems like every time I post this joint, I get somebody inboxing me asking for this specific style. It's tax time, so people got their money right, and they like, man, if I'm gonna do it, I might as well do it. This is my grill, y'all. Rose gold flooded. You can see no room. Diamonds covering each one of those teeth. Look at that. Told you when that incandescent light hits it, that right lighting, man, you'll see. It's when you get that stare action. When people just staring in your mouth. They're trying not to, though. Yeah, this is this right here. Because they're wondering, is that really? Is that what I think it is?